Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a really good day trading recap. Wow, look at this move. I mean, it only moved 60 cents, but I was risking this low of day here. I was only aiming to get at least 30 to 60 cents, 50-cent move to this one. So yeah, I caught the move that I want. AMC was an SSR. It was it was at the very low of pre-market, and I said for this to be able to break down, it needs selling pressure, but it's too overextended from VWAP. It's an SSR. It'll be hard for everyone to short it. That's why I said, okay, I'm gonna trade it for a bounce at this low of this pre-market. So that's what I did there. Took it long. I should have added more, because when I saw that it's really rejecting. Look at that, there's volume. You can see the volume. There's volume in there, so someone's really trying to short it, but they can't. And then someone just bought it and probably short it here or sell it here, because actually I was really short bias at this one. I was hoping if this bounce at the open, like right away here, I'll probably short it at 1175, maybe risk at this area. So that was the plan. But the thing is, it's too far from entry. Yeah, so I took it long there, took profit, almost all out. So I added, took profit, almost out again. I said, okay, I'm gonna try one more. I added and then stop out at break even. So yeah, it was kind of like an easy trade. So this is a VWAP ad, like it was right at the 1150 line, which I will kind of risk off or probably break even wherever it is. Yeah, same for here. I was taking it long, like it was holding its 1180. I thought it's going to continue to go and reach $12 or $12.50, but yeah, Arval was not that high. Now Arval is only 50% for AMC. As you can see here, Arval is very low. I was looking at LI, RLX, but there were no volume at the open. So LI, I was actually short bias at this one. As you can see, they're all just red lines. I thought I was going to short it. I'm really glad I did not short it. RLX, so I have my buy area here. So I was kind of long bias at this one. So buy area here, buy area here. I said if it drops here, I'm gonna buy it. I held VWAP. There were no volume in the first 2 minutes. That's why I didn't really trade it. And who knows, it's gonna go up, right? So yeah, I was kind of late. It could be a nice trade at 1050, but look at that 1040 line. That was kind of like my buy area in there, but yeah, we missed it. It moved about, how much RLX moved about 75 cents. It's kind of moving the same, almost the same as AMC, but AMC did a better move. This one was just kind of like a squeeze. It's probably gonna hold 1101 and maybe just reverse back to 1050 or 1065 area. It's probably a good area to short slowly, since it's a round number, but who knows, it's gonna happen, right? See, there's a selling pressure in there. As you can see, someone's selling at 11 area. It's probably gonna bounce. Yeah, what else? Oh, so yesterday I did not trade because I was having problems logging in with my DAS. Last Friday I had the recap, but I did not finish my recap because I had to go to work. I finished trading a bit late, so I decided not to make a recap, but I think it was a good trade. Yesterday, no trades at all. I mean, at the very midday, I think I did a quick trade on CCL, but yeah, it was a small profit. But yesterday I was having technical difficulties with DAS. I even tweeted it. I can't log in. If anyone was experiencing it, it's probably because I upgraded my internet on the weekend, and yeah, it just didn't work. So you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel for updates and follow me in my social media accounts, and let's watch. There you go. Market is about to open in just a minute. So Okay, so market is about to open. As you can see here, I was watching Lee main chart, but it didn't really move. I was watching AMC, RLX, oh sorry, and Lee, RLX, and AMC. I was expecting AMC to move only about $1 today. It's kind of right at the low of pre-market now. RLX moving, expecting to move this, to have this move about $2.50, but stock was an SSR, so it'll be hard for it to go $2.50 because I was kind of like long bias at this one. Lee, I was expecting to move about $2.50. Pre-market range is $2.70, so, and it's not an SSR, so there's a chance it could move at least $2 today, but it wasn't moving at all at the open. So here, let's watch the open, see how it goes. So as you can see here, no volume, only 200,000 the first few minutes. Oh, there you go, 30.59. Let's see who has the highest volume. The one that has the highest volume is AMC, about 700,000. 12,000 RLX, so I'm staying away for that. 72,000 on Lee. That's why I kind of focused on AMC at the open. Let's see. It was kind of like making this 1 minute orb, but I saw this low of day in here. So there's like a low of day in here. What's this? Still no volume on RLX, still no volume. There's a bit of a volume on Lee, so I was kind of thinking maybe it's a long, but the thing is it's a bit too far from VWAP, so I was kind of scared to take it long. VWAP was somewhere here at the 25.50, at 25.46 actually, you can see here. So that's about almost 50 cents away from VWAP, so you don't want to take that long. And then I have my short area in here for Lee, that's why I didn't really trade it. So there you go. The reason why I took AMC is because it was holding this pre-market low. Pre-market low was, I think, 11.31, right just at this level. And I said, okay, it looks like it's rejecting, and it's an SSR. It'll be hard for everyone to short it because it's an SSR. It's a bit too far from VWAP. I was actually, if I'm gonna take it short, I should be shorting at 11.75. I was hoping that if it bounces here, this is where I'm gonna short it if it holds 11.75, but it's too far. It's back at the pre-market low, and then that's where I took it long. Yeah, there. I was actually risking 25 cents for this. I don't know why my orders are not there. Yeah, I can see it. I took small profit. Oh, that was too quick. Let me. So there you go. There you go. Nice move. 10%. Took more profit. 10%. 10%. I was gonna take more. 11.75. I wasn't really touching there, so I took most of it at 11.75. So good move. Really move. Good move. 11.36 is my average cost. I said, okay, it's probably time for me to look for an ad just in case, since I caught that move. So it's holding 11.50. I said it's back at the VWAP 11.55, so I can range maybe that 5 cents area in there, and I can play around with my ads now. Come on, it's when I saw it's really rejecting 11.50. Now it's back to 11.55. That's where I added right at the VWAP number, and I'm gonna risk just at 11.46. There you go. I was hoping for another break up at 11.75. That's the move that I wanted. It's kind of like making a bull flag actually, and there's volume. You can see that. There you go. That's the move that I wanted. Really good move. I only need about 25 cents, but it gave me more 25. It gave me more move than expected. Yeah, so new average is 11.46. So that was a good move. I took probably 75%. I personally 75% take TP in here, so I took most of my shares in there. I have a shortcut of 50 and 75, like a separate one. Really good move. I should have yep, I did. I know myself too much that I'll be taking profit in there. So now at this point, I was actually looking for a $12 target, and I said, okay, I'm gonna add this area just in case, since I can kind of play around with my shares now. I said I'm gonna take profit if it goes around here and maybe add. So I took more at this area because it was having a hard time. There's kind of like a leveling here as well. I said I'm gonna add somewhere at 1175 area. So that's kind of like my selling point before. I can kind of use it as my support. It was a resistance before. Actually, it's still a support. Like, see that? There's a support, right? Like, but for here, it's kind of like a resistance. If you trade it here, then support becomes resistance. And there you go. I was looking for areas to add. And I was kind of impatient. It's holding 80 actually. It was really holding 80. There's someone selling their shares in here, but someone's really selling at 80. I really thought it's gonna go to 12. Come on. I'm gonna fast forward this a bit. Okay, I need more room so I can see where it's gonna go. Oops. Ooh, sorry about that. So it's time for us to stop trading. That's why I'm making a recap now, so we don't overtrade. So I added in there. Okay, sorry for the. Okay, so I stopped out. So after adding in there, I was really hoping for 12 bucks. So I was just playing around with my last shares. I added whatever I have left. I tripled it. So as you can see here, my average was 1146 right here, right? So whatever I have whatever I have left, I added. So now my before it was around 36, right? 36, like around 35 cents. So I added twice of whatever I have left, then it's gonna go to 10 cents. Yeah, because I will just be risking somewhere at 1180 or maybe at break even. I thought it's gonna hold 1175, but it didn't. And there's volume as well. I said, okay, I'm gonna stop out. There you go. I got stopped. So yeah, that was fun. I'm glad I stopped out because you know what happened here after. I'll show you in a bit. I can let me check how much I have left in there. It was okay. It was okay to risk whatever I have in here. Okay, I'm really happy with that. I stopped out. I did not add. I did not re-add back. I did not rebuy it because I could have just rebought it somewhere here because it was holding 1164. You will think like, oh, it's probably holding VWAP. It's gonna take one more go, right? It's kind of like holding VWAP. But the thing is, AMC's RVOL is only 50%, so you know no big players are playing this right now. In my opinion, see, look at that. So whoever's buying, they just give their shares and keep shorting or selling whatever shares. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not a professional trader, but yeah, I trade price action. I trade technicals. I don't read fundamentals or news or whatever. I trade whatever the open gives me. So just like that. See if I don't stop, look at that. It's back to my ad area. But I'm really glad I caught it somewhere here. But let's see where it is now. Let's see. Wow, it's back to the opening price. Look at that move. That's insane. Like insane. So it squeezes back and then sells off See, this is actually my short area, just in case. If I was patient, I was actually planning of trading it somewhere here at 11.75. That's only probably about 20 cents area. So I could probably risk $12, start shorting it here. Yeah, so that was good. So you can always trade both moves. It's just up to you how you want to trade it. Oh man, I see selling pressure in this one. It's still selling off. Okay, that was a good day. It's probably gonna hold this low pre-market again. It's probably gonna balance and maybe go to 11.50. Who knows what's gonna happen, right? So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Feel free to watch my morning stream. I always stream my scanner. I have a Finviz scanner that I share, and I also post which ones I will be trading. So if you have time in the morning, probably around, I don't know what time is that, so that's probably 5:40 here, so around 8:40 New York time. Yeah, wow, look at that AMC, it's selling off. I'm having FOMO again. I can probably start buying it somewhere here. As you can see here, I was really short bias at this one. I have a short area at 11.75. I will be taking profit at 11. So if it goes to 11 with really high volume, I'll probably just buy it there or take it long. We'll see. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you guys tomorrow.